Whoa!
That was a gunshot. This is so much more bigger, oh my god. The power on this thing is crazy. Yeah, baby! I told you.
Yeah, buddy. We are outside today. I got Johnny with me. We're going to hit the Hollywood motocross track and ride around. He's got the RFN Apollo Aries Pro, one of the longest names in electric bike history. So we're going to see how this thing handles today on the track. Yeah. I came in hot. It's a beautiful 83 degrees in Las Vegas too. The weather is finally going down. But see, the thing with Las Vegas is when the weather goes down, I'll pop it on the screen, the weather will drop like 13 to 15 degrees, right? And once it drops, then it like, what the heck is going on here? I wonder if they're gonna pave this. Master testing, huh? Aztec. Interesting. But anyways, yeah, so the weather is amazing right now. And it's more fun to ride in the daytime, obviously, when it's not 120 degrees or 105, 110 even, you know? Wow, what the heck? I really wonder what they're doing. They're literally just like carving it out in the middle of the road. Like they just carved from one side and went to the next. I think they're making this like more. Yeah, I think they're gonna pave it or something. It says Wetlands Park Loop Trail completion phase 1. I'm assuming that. All right, ready? Pit bikes. It's time to ride. I see a YZF. It looked like a 450 right there. Huh? That's a yeah, 450, I think. Yeah, that's nice. Yes, sir. How you doing, man? You good? All right, we've made it to the track. As you can see, we got to jump there, jump there, jump there. Some little hills. Got a berm here, but it's like a full loop track. Goes all the way around. Yeah, we're just gonna have some fun, enjoy the day. We're out here in Las Vegas, as you see in the background. That's the strip. Man, I feel like I just flew right there. Wow. What happened? It's what? Hey. Huh. So we finally figured out what was wrong with the bike. We were sitting here for like 30 minutes. We're just getting warmed up. Everything's going well. And then he goes to cut it on and it doesn't cut on. But now we know why. So because the kickstand was down, he wasn't able to start his bike. So I was calling the guy, trying to get him to answer. Finally answers, responds, and says, hey, if the kickstand's down, it won't start. So there we go. Now we're gonna go back to practicing. All right, I'm going officially on record, okay? So today, the goal is to get used to jumping this, okay? Then the next goal, so this is jump 1. Jump 2 is going to be that tabletop, just getting used to hitting a little tabletopper. So we're going to conquer the tabletop. We're going to conquer this one. We're going to conquer this one, okay? Right here, the one that I've cased many times, and the one that you almost just, you know, crashed. So we'll get this one, and then I want to conquer that one, the gap. Yeah. Not today, probably not all today. So that's what we want to conquer. That's our goal. So let's keep practicing, sending it off of this one, like getting used to jumping. And hey Johnny, when you get about right here, give it a little bit of a blip, right? And don't be leaning too far back, because that's how you do this. When you're leaning far back, which is weird, it bucks you forward. Okay? Here comes the dust. Look at all this dust. Huh? I know. We've seen a huge, like, tornado looking one, like a dust devil.
Oh yeah, baby. Live and direct. Let's get it. I'm on ya. Oh my god, I did not see that berm right there. Oh! Woo! I seen that. All I seen was this. I just seen your undercarriage. Oh my god. I went too far back on that one. There it is. Oh, really? I wheelied the tabletop over there.
All right. Johnny's about to try the Nikot E-Beast. We both run the same back tire. His is a 90-100 18. Mine's a 100-100 18.
This is my new bike, but it's doing me good. It's a lot, not a lot, but it's heavier than my Talaria. So it's definitely burning my arms a lot more on the jumps. But time to test out the beast. I mean, I'm like a professional YouTuber now.
Alright, so guys, I want you to subscribe, hit the notification, and like. But I want this video to get to 50,000 likes.
50,000 likes.
Whoa.
That's a lot of likes, dude.
Oh god. This is so much more bigger, oh my god.
Yeah, all up. He's literally tiptoeing it.
Oh, this is so heavy. Oh my god, I like don't know where to go. Okay, he's right. I need sport. I forgot. This is a back brake. It's been a minute since I rode a dirt bike. Oh my god. Oh, this is, you could like feel the weight on this thing. Wow. Oh my god. The power on this thing is crazy. Like, oh my god, this puts the Talaria to like the bottom.
How's it feel?
I'm like, okay, yeah, he's right. I need sport. This makes the Talaria feel like nothing.
Yeah.
Like, wow.
Yeah, that's a like real bike.
Right.
Try to just go up the jump.
Okay.
Just see how it feels.
Oh god.
Just press the button and you go. This thing takes a little bit more, personal touch.
I'm taking this so slow.
This bike takes more involvement. It's more engaging.
Whoa! I gotta remember where the back brake is. Woo! Oh my god, this thing has so much torque. Whew. And I think my bike, for some reason, has more voltage than Nate's. I don't know. So, is yours a 72 volt?
Yeah.
Mine's a 74? Mine has more voltage than yours? How?
It's the controller, it's all in the tuning. You could have a shitty ass controller and it would give you no power. Oh, almost off the burn. We're trying to hit this gap one. He's starting to get a lot better at jumping, so am I. So we're like, let's hit the gapper. I want to just fly through there so bad. Whoa! I did. That one you gotta go fast. Oh my gosh! I cased them. Look at it. See, you can, if you don't get high enough, you're gonna case it. I cased the mess out of it. Whoa! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, he's sending it. He's definitely sending it. Yeah! Super windy. Holy mac, look at the dust clouds. It's so windy. Oh god. Come on, baby! Oh god! Oh! I almost nose planted.
Here it comes. This is really steep. You probably can't see it, but oh my gosh. Alright, my turn. There's a glove. Whee! Alright. This is where we activate turbo mode. Light work. Woo! That was a lot of dust. Oh, I got air. I got that on film too.
Oh shit.
That was.
Alright, now we're gonna do this one.
Okay.
See what it is that we're not like used to the big wheels yet to where we can like trust our suspension and our
Right.
how big the wheels are. Because it's like that, it looks steep, but then when you go down it's like, oh, that was nothing.
Yeah.
Here we go.
This one's probably a lot. I could do this sitting down. I did that one sitting down. I wasn't even full throttling it either.
Right here.
Oh, hold on. If I loop out, I'm gonna laugh. All right, she's losing power. That ain't good, but hey, we had our fun with her. Oh my God. Nope. Nope. Sorry.
You just roasted me.
I'm sorry.
Alright, let's do that again.
I could tell she's losing power though.
Oh, you can? What the fuck was that?
That was a gunshot. Oh. It's the guy not in this silver truck over there.
Yeah, let's just keep finding obstacles to hit.
Okay.
That's fun. Johnny, one day. One day.
One day.
We will. We're gonna hit it.
We need like an actual 250 for that. Or 450.
Huh?
You might need like an actual 450 for that.
We will, yeah, 100%.
Somebody missing their shoe? I'm gonna hit it more to the left, see where I go. Oh my God! Whew! I got air and then I hit like that little hump right there and I wheelied out. That was sketch.
We gotta clear this part.
Oh, that's where you're going.
Over that.
I'm going over there. Oh.
Look, I'll make the line.
Okay, I'll go right here. Okay.
Now you see the line.
Yep. Hey.
Alright. See, what we need to do is we need to dig out this thing.
Right. You know. I'm almost there. I got that. I think this is the kind of jump I need to put her in turbo. Yeah, baby! I told you. I told him. I said this is the jump that I need to put her in turbo, and I did it.
I still think we can go faster.
Oh yeah.
Let's go faster.
But I think when I'm
It's windy.
jump, okay. No excuses, baby. Just send it. Oh my God! That I said, boom! Oh my God! Okay. This is actually like, wow. I could do a lot more sends on this. Has so much more power than my Talaria. I gotta stop calling it my Talaria because it's not mine.
We made that one, so we gotta like figure out other ones we can make.
Right.
Keep like building them, because that's a good one. If you hit that fast enough, you could probably clear it to the right on the other side and go down perfect.
Oh yeah. Is that a grave? Oh my God, I'm not riding over that. There's a grave right here. Wow. Matthew Todd Brown. Always in our thoughts and for, oh wow. It's a grave right here. Wow. boy, you crazy. Who does he think I am? Yeah, I'm not hitting that.
Look at all this trash, glass. Like literally just come out here and they just dump it. It's like this is not a place to dump. The bike's on the mattress. Feels so wrong. Look at this. This is literally in the middle of a berm. Look at that. Shoom. Like what freaking idiots. God. That's the big jump too. This is the big boy. You jump huge. Land, you come in and there's a freaking pile of trash. Lame.
Nope. Ow. There's a rock right there. That hurt.
This is a great example of why you should never ride out of your limits, and especially in places that you've never ridden before, because this could be extremely dangerous.
I was about to drop in on this.
I know.
And guess what feature I have? I could reverse my bike. Backing up.
Alright, let's see if you can handle the enduro.
The who and the what? The enduro. What's an enduro? Oh yeah, baby. Ooh, alright. Oh my god. Hey! Little stinker. Let me see if I can get a little pass on him. Oh dang, that's mine. Oh my god! I don't know, that hurt him. Through the bush! Oh my god! Oh my god! Fun. I was gonna try to pass you, but
Trying to pass me?
yeah. I'm like, this feels like a race moment. I'm gonna try to pass him.
I'm gonna do it.
Huh? Do what? Well, if you're doing it, I'm doing it. Oh gosh. Oh, that's easy. I'll do this sitting down. That was easy. It cut off?
I went down, I lost power.
No.
Yes.
Dang.
Alright, there you go.